Very good morning, students. I hope all are well and healthy. Today, once again, I am taking on demand. I am taking vocabulary words from 1 to 11. Actually, I had some confusion, so sorry for that. I was telling you that I had already uploaded one video regarding vocabulary, but actually, I had taken Zoom class. Okay, so in that Zoom, I have explained some words meaning, and as I have been telling you since last many means years that in each class whenever I have taken your grammar section, so I have already told students that this vocabulary is very important, and to increase your vocab you should learn every day at least 5 to 10 words, and if not then also you if not 10 then you can learn at least 2 words. See what happens when you know different meaning of a single words. Okay, a single word different meaning if you know, then it really help you to write stories. Okay, it has a different way, means you can use in your conversation, in your communication. When you write something, it increases your writing skills also, and it means increases your confidence level also. You know that you know the meaning of that word, particular word. So vocab is very important. So this time I'm again once again, as I have told you that students, they were asking, some of the students, they could not join my Zoom class, and this is really very bad. That means from all three sections hardly 20-18 students they attend Zoom class. If you don't want to attend Zoom class, give me your written explanation why, what is the reason. Maybe I will get some feedback from you students that my classes are not very interesting, that's why you are not attending, or there, if there is any other reason, then also maybe some students they are attending, they have joined some coaching classes here and there, so they don't give that much importance to this English subject, language subject, and they skip English classes. Okay, but I want that at least okay, those students, those who have problem later during examination time, they always ask, ma'am, this question should be given like this question's option is wrong, my this option was correct but you did not give me marks. That time I really feel very bad. Reason is that you firstly do not attend my classes, what I am explaining, how I am rotating the question, what I want to know from you students, that you really don't understand. Actually I give some rotated questions, answers may be differ, okay, what you write from them. Okay, but my questions are really very important and they matter. Okay, in board examination also you will think that this is the correct option, but there you will not go to fight. Okay, so I want that 100% students means 100% attendance should be there, and then you really have right to speak, okay, about question paper pattern and other things. If you don't understand, if you don't attend the classes, how can you ask me to explain you during exam time? So better you take all the Zoom classes and watch all the videos which I upload, okay, on Educare app. And except this, I am not entertaining students anywhere else. Okay, so this vocabulary I'll take again. So the first word, as you can see, if you want you can take a screenshot also, that's why I do not I do not zoom it. I am showing you all the words, and I know all the words are clearly written here, you can see them clearly, there is nothing which is hidden. Okay, so the first word is adamant. Adamant is an adjective. Okay, it works in a sentence as an adjective. And what is the meaning of adamant? That is atal, dran. Why I have written the words meaning in Hindi, so that you can understand in better way. And the meaning is hard or inflexible. Hard or inflexible means flexible, which can be molded, which can be flexible, inflexible. So when a person is very means stubborn type, okay, jiddi, so his son is adamant he will not go to school. Okay, so examples, after each word I have written examples so that you can understand this. Then after this word there is adamant nature. Okay, so from this word adamant only we can say he has very adamant natured person. So adamant natured person means jiddi, or we can say like Bhisham Pitama, we can give example of this type of person, Bhisham Pitama. Okay, he was also atal, means he was also fixed at what he has said on that. Then we can find, we can make noun from this adjective, that is adamance. Adamance and adamancy both are nouns, and we use these two words okay, as a subject in a sentence. Next word, second word is adverse. This is another adjective. And what is the meaning of adverse? We say na adversity. Adversity means pratikul, so that is unfavorable. So adverse, okay, like adverse weather, pratikul mausam. Okay, so you can very well write example from this word. And adversity, adversity means vipatti. Okay, or we can say which is completely opposite. Then affected, next word, third word is affected. Affected means this is also adjective, बनावटी. ओके, बनावटी व्यवहार और किसी चीज़ को इन्फ्लुएंस में लेना, प्रभावित करना. अफेक्टेड मैनर. ओके, सो अफेक्टेड वे और अफेक्टेड एरिया. सो फ्लड अफेक्टेड एरिया. फ्लड अफेक्टेड एरिया मीन्स बाढ़ प्रभावी क्षेत्र. ओके, so this means all the flood affected area are restricted, no visitor can move towards these places. Okay, then fourth word is alley. Alley means what is the meaning of alley? Kam karna. Okay, that is soothe, relieve hunger, pain, fear, etc. So this word allay we can make use to allay my hunger, it allays my pain, it allays my fear. Allay is what? It is a verb. That's why when I am taking these words hunger, pain, fear as in singular form, I always use s with this word allay. Okay, so y will replace and I will use ies. So it allays my hunger. Okay. Sometimes stale bread, stale means basi roti, allays our hunger. Okay, the next word is alley. Alley means gali, pagdandi. So there is a blind alley. Blind alley means बंद गली होना. बंद गली को हम क्या कहते हैं? alley. Then ally. Ally is it. This works as a noun also and as a verb also. It means सहयोगी. Okay, सहयोगी means this is my political ally. Okay, from this word there is one word alliance, जिसको हम कहते हैं गठबंधन. Okay, I hope you all are understanding. Seventh word is alley, that is Misr Dhatu. You know, you would have read this word in chemistry. Then accord. Accord means, what is the meaning of accord? Mel khana. Okay, accordance with. This is another word. Okay, we use okay as a preposition. So accord is a noun and we use sometimes it as a verb also. It means मेल खाना या के अनुरूप होना. Okay, so my views accords with that of my wife. तो मेरे विचार जो हैं मेरी वाइफ के विचारों से मिलते हैं. Next word, ninth word is adulterate. Adulterate, this is also what? Adulterate is verb and we use it adjective. He has adulterate nature. So what quality the man has? The man is having एडल्ट्रेट नेचर मीन्स मिलावटी नेचर है, मीन्स वो जैसा है वैसा दिखता है वैसा नहीं है, तो डैट मीन्स मिलावटी. नॉट प्योर और नॉट genuine. Okay, so milkman adulterate milk with water. So here I am not giving example of any any authority or any person's I am not justifying any person's personality here. That's why this is very common in our society, that milkmen, they always adulterate water with it. Okay, so I have taken the example of milkman, so nobody will raise question that ma'am has said to this particular person adulterate nature. Then agility. Agility, 10th word. Okay, word 10 is agility. This is a noun and it means furti, activeness, nimbleness. So test may include agility, इंटेलिजेंस एंड स्पीड. तो टेस्ट में क्या क्या चीज़ें होने की ज़रूरत है? स्पीड, एजिलिटी एंड इंटेलिजेंस. ही रन विद एजिलिटी एंड स्पीड, वो फुर्ती से और स्पीड से, तेज़ी से भागा. दैन नेक्स्ट 11th word is agile. That is adjective, furtila. Okay, so here we finish this. He is as agile as a monkey. So no other animal is this much active, means in small, if we say except lion and tiger, so we can say that monkeys are very active all the time. They do not fear anything or okay, so we can say this, we can use this word for monkeys, agile. Okay, to tell for telling their qualities. So these were 11 words, and in my previous video from 12 to 20 I think words again I have explained. I'll keep on explaining like this words for you so that you can increase your vocabulary. Okay, I hope this will be very useful video and you all will understand it. Okay, so on next turn we'll see another other few words and one chapter's video also I will put. Okay, till then, goodbye, have a nice day.